Hello everybody, it's me Shreya, and in this video I'm gonna tell you some skincare mistakes that you might be making without even realizing it. I know we all want glowing skin and healthy skin, okay? But some mistakes that we do unknowingly can make our skin really worse. So in this video you will know which skincare mistake of yours are causing some skin problems and are making your skin worse. So let's go. Before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Okay, so the first mistake and the most biggest mistake you might be doing to your skin is not using a sunscreen. Yes, you're right. If you're not using a sunscreen, you are destroying your skin. I'm so sorry, but you are literally destroying your skin for the long run. You may feel like your everything is okay without sunscreen, everything is fine, but no, in future you will see differences. Sunscreen is very crucial to protect your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and dark spots and even skin cancer. If you're staying indoors or it's cloudy outside, sunscreen has to be the part of your skincare routine for every day. I repeat, for every day, no matter what, you have to apply sunscreen. I recommend using SPF 30 or higher than that, and make sure you're using a good amount of sunscreen, that is 2 finger rule, and you're good to go. And trust me, sunscreen alone can solve many skin problems, okay? So make sure to apply sunscreen and include it in your skincare routine now. Mistake number 2 is over-exfoliating. Yes, scrubbing your face is good, but scrubbing your face too often or every day or very harshly can cause so many skin problems, and it can even damage your skin barrier. Exfoliating too much can make your skin red and even more prone to breakouts, and it can irritate your skin. The key is to exfoliate only once a week depending on your skin type, and use super gentle products. If your skin feels raw or tight after exfoliating, this is the sign you're overdoing it. Mistake number 3 is not applying moisturizer. I know some of you think that if you have oily skin, you do not need moisturizer or you should not apply moisturizer. No, it is very wrong, and it is the biggest mistake you're making for your skin. Even if you have oily skin, you still need hydration, and for hydration you need to use a good moisturizer. Sometimes we think that applying a moisturizer can make our skin dull and oily, but trust me, it is not going to happen if you use the moisturizer according to your skin type, okay? Moisturizer actually balances our skin's barrier, and it looks very hydrated, very plump and very healthy looking. Moisturizer can make our skin look so healthy, so glowy and so plump, because a hydrated skin is a glowing skin. Make sure to use a oil-free moisturizer if you have oily skin, and make sure to use a moisturizer which is very rich in moisture if you have dry skin. Another common skincare mistake is using products that are not for your skin types, or it is just popular, that's why you're using it. No, you should stop this mistake now. It's a very common mistake that people are having like a good skincare routine, but any of the products are not even for your skin type, for their skin. If you have sensitive skin, you need to avoid harsh ingredients, and if you have acne prone skin, you need to use the products which are not going to clog your pores. It is so important to tailor your skincare routine according to your skin type and your skin needs. And make sure the products you're using are for your skin types. Don't go for internet trends, because trends are going to come and go, but your skin is going to stay healthy always if you're going to use products according to your skin type and your skin needs. Another mistake is here, and it is that not removing your makeup. It is so important to remove your makeup. Trust me friends, if you do not remove your makeup, many skin problems are going to come to your skin, because makeup can literally clog pores if you're sleeping with makeup on. I know you're being lazy or you just had a very busy day, but please just take those 2 extra minutes to remove your makeup, because it is going to cause you clogged pores, breakouts and even dull skin. Do double cleansing to remove your makeup. You can even use any cleansing milk, you can even use any micellar water, or you can just remove it with coconut oil, and after doing that, just follow it up with your regular face wash. And the next mistake is using too many active at once. Oh my god, this is the biggest mistake people are making nowadays, because they are getting influenced by internet that you should use too many actives to make your skin better, to make your skin more nice. But trust me, when it comes to skincare, less is always more. The less products you apply on your skin will become more healthy. Okay, active ingredients like retinol, AHA, BHAs, and even vitamin C, they are very great for your skin, but using them all at once and using them too often can literally make your skin so worse. It is best to incorporate them gradually in your skincare routine. Like, you can use vitamin C at morning and you can use retinol at night. Just don't use everything at the same time, and you can just simply make a routine where you figure out yourself that when to apply which active, so it will be more good for your skin. And the last mistake is not being consistent to your skincare routine. Yes, I know people make skincare routine and they want like instant results, they want like overnight results, but please, skincare is a big game. It is a long term game, and you need to be consistent doing your skincare. You need to wait for a few weeks or even months to see the effect of skincare on your skin. So just trust the process and be super consistent with your skincare routine. So these were the skincare mistakes that are very common nowadays, and people are probably doing them without knowing it. And make sure to share this video to your friends and family, and make sure to hit that like button below, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, I will meet you in my next video.